Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to understand how to calculate distance between 2 points using the distance formula. Solve problems using distance formula. Introduction. Let's begin this chapter with a quick recap of what we've learnt about coordinate geometry in the previous classes. We have learnt that the distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0, and of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0, y. A linear equation in two variables of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A, b are not simultaneously 0 gives a straight line when represented graphically. Graph of y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. A not equal to 0 is a parabola. Coordinate geometry has been developed as an algebraic tool that helps us to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry. In this chapter, we shall study to find the distance between the 2 points whose coordinates are given. To find the area of the triangle formed by 3 given points. To find the coordinates of the point which divides a line segment joining 2 given points in a given ratio. Before we go into details of distance formula, we shall take 3 cases wherein we need to find the distance between the points. Case 1. 2 points lie on the x-axis. Consider 2 points A, 4, 0 and B, 6, 0 in the figure. The points A and B lie on the x-axis. From the figure you can see that OA is equal to 4 units, OB is equal to 6 units. Therefore, the distance of B from A, that is AB, is equal to OB minus OA. That's equal to 6 minus 4, that's equal to 2 units. So, if 2 points lie on the x-axis, we can easily find the distance between them. Case 2. 2 points lie on the y-axis. If the points C, 0, 3 and D, 0, 8 lie on the y-axis, then we find CD is equal to 8 minus 3, that's equal to 5 units. Case 3. 2 points not lying on the same coordinate axis. Consider A, 4, 0 and C, 0, 3. Since OA is equal to 4 units and OC is equal to 3 units, the distance of A from C, that is AC, is equal to root 3 square plus 4 square. That's equal to 5 units. Similarly, you can find the distance of B from D equal to BD is equal to 10 units. Hence, when 2 points are not lying on the same axis, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the distance between them. Case 4. Distance between 2 points in different quadrants. Consider the points P of 6, 4 and Q of -5, -3. Draw Q as perpendicular to the x-axis. Also draw perpendicular PT from the point P on QS, extended to meet y-axis at the point R. Then PT is equal to 11 units and QT is equal to 7 units. Using the Pythagoras theorem to the right triangle PTQ, we get PQ is equal to 170 units. Now let's generalize this case and state the distance formula. Let's now find the distance between any 2 points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2. Draw PR and QS perpendicular to the x-axis. A perpendicular from the point P on QS is drawn to meet it at the point T. Note: distance is always non-negative. We take only the positive square root. The distance of a point P of x, y from the origin O of 0, 0 is given by PQ can also be written as. Let's work out some examples with the help of the distance formula. Do the points 4, 3, -3, -4, and 3, 4 form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangle formed. Solution. Let's apply the distance formula to find the distances AB, BC, and CA, where A of 4, 3, B of -3, -4, and C of 3, 4 are the given points. We have AB is equal to 9.89 approximately, BC is equal to 10, CA is equal to 1.41 approximately. Since the sum of any two of these distances is greater than the third distance, therefore the points P, Q, and R form a triangle. Let's work out some examples with the help of the distance formula. Do the points 4, 3, -3, -4, and 3, 4 form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangle formed. Summary. Let's summarize the topic. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if 1. Their corresponding angles are equal, and 2. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, that is proportion. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side.